Hello friends, hello friends, and welcome to Technique. Today I have got Honeywell's 1D barcode scanner. This is an entry-level barcode scanner from Honeywell, and this is called UZ3300. Normally in general term we call it YJ3300 barcode scanner. This has got the popularity amongst the users, amongst the buyers of this barcode scanner, because this is coming at a much cheaper price in contrast to the previous entry-level barcode scanner, which is also available in the market by Honeywell only, which was MK5145 and MS5145. And this scanner is looking very promising, since this is also getting the popularity because of its price and its performance too. And we can expect that this is going to perform much better in the upcoming times. This is the first time I'm going to use this barcode scanner. Let's see how it is going to perform with the barcode scanning for operations. To tell you more about this barcode scanner, you will find the cable of it a bit smaller in comparison to other barcode scanners, but this is okay if you are having a small desk, like small shops where you don't need lengthy barcode cables. Then this is going to be a better option for you, but you may order the longer length barcode scanners. It comes with the USB cord, so you can get all those options available in the market, and you can ask for your vendor to supply you the larger length of the barcode scanner's cable. So this is 1D barcode scanner. So this is going to scan the barcodes like this one, the line ones, the linear ones we call it. 1D barcodes, something like this. And if you want to scan 2D barcode scanners, 2D barcodes, then this is not going to scan those ones, because this scanner is not made to scan the 2D barcodes or QR barcodes. So this scanner is going to be very useful to small users. Small users mean to say, if you have to scan the barcodes about, say, 100 to 500 in a day, then this scanner is going to be very suitable. And the look of the scanner, you can see, this looks very handsome, beautiful, and the body of this scanner is made of plastic, but this portion of the scanner, the portion which is covering the scan engine, is made of rubber, so that it drops from the height of, say, 1 or 2 meters. Then you can expect it to function normally in general term, but if anything going to happen wrong, then you have the 1-year warranty from the manufacturer, so you can claim that too. Now let's see. We have our Excel sheet open over here. We would be scanning the barcodes, 1D barcodes, with this scanner. Let's see how it goes. This is the barcode. Now I'm going to read this one. Oh, quick. You can see the changes on the screen. Okay. Oh, quick, very fast. I can say this. I have to accept this, that this is very quick. Oh, really very quick. Now the real test is here, which is the linear lengthy barcodes, right? Lengthy barcodes. Let's see how it performs. Where is, oh, scanned. Superb, awesome. Dude, I am now very much impressed with this barcode scanner, because it is quick, and the performance, you just saw how beautifully and how accurately this is transferring the data and scanning the barcodes in a very quick time. So this is highly recommended to have one with you. And if you are finding the cable to be a negative part, then you can order the lengthy ones from the market, local market, and they can make available to you. And the price of this barcode scanner in the Indian market, you would be finding it around rupees 3,000 or below that, or maybe above that. Again, it is going to be depending upon the quantities you purchase, because this is going to have a direct impact on the prices. Check one more. Oh, fake. And along with this barcode scanner, you are going to get the quick start guide. The quick start guide is going to help you a lot in managing the functionality of this barcode scanner. And the scanning distance is also awesome. You can see I'm scanning from a distance of about say 30 centimeters. It is scanning. Very quick. The sound is also beautiful. Oh, I love this. Okay. So if you want to buy this scanner at a cheaper rate, then you can log into our website called cardcut.com. This is the website. I'll show you. Oh, okay, no problem. I'll show you from keyboard. Okay, this is the website. You can visit over here and you can place your order for the YJ3300 barcode scanner. And if you have any query regarding this barcode scanner, please put in the comment box. And I would again request you people to please subscribe to our channel so that we can get some kind of encouragement to create such kind of videos in the future course also. And that is going to be something fabulous, because we are dealing right now, we are working on the industrial products. Soon we would be coming up with more videos, not just in the industrial product, but also in the consumer durables also, consumer goods also, where you will be finding multiple products. Okay, so that's all in this video. And again, I'm requesting you to please subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks again.